All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a universal pressure tester that actually works. So I get asked a lot about pressure testers, coolant system pressure testers. And a lot of the questions come about, well, basically these pressure adapters. You know, what can I get away with? Why do I have to buy the whole kit? You know, they're really expensive if you go through like AST on this one. What can I do about it? Well, there's a red line kit that when it works okay, it works okay. What I mean by that is it's a universal O-ring slash, expandable bladder. The problem is you're putting pressure on the system. If that connection is not perfectly dry, been there, done that. Not fun. So what I've got here is by OTC. It's also rebranded under the Matco line. It is the OTC 6977 Universal Cooling System Pressure Tester Kit. Now, unlike a lot of systems that go through where the cap goes, so you can't test the cap unless you have the correct adapter to test it, which very few people do. You go through like a heater hose or the hose going to the coolant reservoir, etc. So instead of having to buy these, you can go with one of these and you can pressure test the system and test the cap. Now I've got part of the kit out because I'm hooked to a car, but you've got a standard Stant style adapter, so you can use these style caps as well. So if you've got a proper cap, it is a coolant pressure tester and can be adapted. Same with using these universal. It works with any Stant style connection. So any adapter that works with Stant, these will work. Now it comes with 4 hoses to connect, and it allows you to connect into the system and test it. Now I'm hooked in to this vehicle right here through the coolant overflow. Now this vehicle came in for an overheat. It's already been fixed, but it was a good example to go ahead and demo this tool. So you just basically take off the hose that goes to it, plumb in this adapter, and you've got a quick connect. And now it is a pumpy pump, so you can pressure test the system and you can check for leaks. Now I'm at 10 psi and no problems. Hopefully, because this is Zach's car, not mine, so I'd hate to tell him in the morning that he's got a leak, but he's good. But this allows you to properly pressure test the system, including the cap. Pretty nice system, and again, keeps you from having to buy adapters. Now obviously, when you got to relieve the pressure, you're going to have to do it with the cap because there's no dump valve or anything like that. Just open it slowly. Now again, this kit is made by OTC. Yes, they sponsor my channel, but it is also available on the Matco truck if you want to get it from them. Pretty ingenious system, allows you to pressure test including the cap. So pretty good tool. Again, they sent it to me. Reason I got this is it's a affordable option for younger technicians coming through. Now, do I really need it? No, I have a complete-ish set of coolant adapters. But what I got it for is to show you out there, because this is a great lower cost option for y'all. And I'm getting blown out by the light. So definitely something to look into if you're needing a pressure tester. A couple words of caution. Plastic fittings can break. If you're not careful, they will break. They might break anyway. So you do have to add that into your consideration, is that you have to be careful taking these connections off. You don't want to break them. That is a concern. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You don't like my new tool? Well, don't buy it. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.